Hi everyone, welcome to week 7 and I will understanding of effective presentation, which are also helpful for my future presentation. Thanks for your thoughts and you did a great job. So this week is time to finish your slides and for your presentation and submit it. So let's check the week 7 page. So there are total 6 tasks this week, a little bit more than our previous weeks, but the only thing you need to submit this week is a link to the slides. The first thing is to watch this intro video, and the second thing is to continue learning what is an effective presentation. There are 2 links. One is some essential tips for an effective presentation, and one is to some guiding points for how to deliver an effective presentation from the University of Leicester. It's time to keep accumulating knowledge. Hope after this 3 weeks you will have a clear mind about how to make an effective presentation by using some new tools. So the third task is to read the presentation requirements. This is important. So please read it carefully. In this project, you will need to finish a 5 to 10 minutes presentation video next week by using some screencasting tools. The content is about your self-introduction, but it's more about business self-introduction. We do not have specific requirements for number of pages. Just put enough content into your slides to make sure you can have a 5 to 10 minutes presentation. For the slides submitted this week, it's the same with our assignment of week 5. We will still use our assignments in the Canvas, so please use this link to submit your slides. For the reason we are going to do a screencast next time, so it's better for you to learn how to use the tools well this week. There are 2 recommendations. One is Screencast-O-Matic and one is a PowerSoft. And you can learn them from the tutor videos. And there is one example to show you what is a screencasting presentation. You can watch it. And the last task is to learn some other tools. You can watch this video or you can learn from some other places. It is optional, not required. It's up to your interests. So that's all for the week 7. Hope you will like it, and I'm really looking forward to your slides this week and the presentation next week. Have a great week. See you next Tuesday. Thank you.